In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report using Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Monday.com is a powerful tool for managing projects and teams, and today we'll focus on how to efficiently generate a report through a dashboard. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Monday.com, where you'll begin this process. Once you've reached the homepage, look for the Login button. If you already have an account, click on it and proceed to select the Google option. From there, choose the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile, which will make logging in quick and straightforward. Now that you're logged in, we can move on to creating a dashboard, which is the backbone of your report. Look at the left panel and you'll see a plus icon. Clicking this will allow you to begin adding a new dashboard. Once you select Dashboard, you'll be prompted to type in a name for it. Let's keep it simple by naming it Report. After naming your dashboard, proceed by clicking Create. Create Dashboard. This sets the stage for pulling data from various boards and assembling it into a cohesive report. Next, connect the boards from which you want to gather data. These boards should contain the information pertinent to the report you aim to create. Once your boards are connected, click the Done button to save this step. You can now customize your report further by adding widgets which bring your data to life. Head to the top left of your dashboard and click on Add Widget. Monday.com provides a variety of widget options such as numbers and charts. These are excellent for visualizing your data and making your report more insightful. Choose the widgets that best meet your reporting requirements and add them to your dashboard. At this point, you've successfully created a powerful reporting dashboard in Monday.com. This dashboard will continually update as your team uploads new data to the connected boards, providing you with a real-time view of your progress and results. Remember that your dashboard is customizable. Don't hesitate to experiment with different widgets and settings until you find the perfect layout that meets your needs. With these steps, you've not only learned to create a reporting dashboard, but also unlocked a deeper level of data management and analysis for your projects. That's it. You've accomplished setting up a report in Monday.com and are on your way to better project insights and team collaboration. Thanks for joining me, and happy reporting.